Good morning. Today I will show you how to access the TELPAS practice exam for reading. First step you're going to go on your browser, you're going to type TELPAS practice test. As you can see, I already have mine. It's going to be the first link that pops up right here. We're going to click on that. You're going to scroll down to the blue section, online practice test, and select the first one. As you can see, another tab open, student login. This is a practice test site. So just click sign in. You don't have to mess with anything. Do not mess with anything. Sign in. Then you can select your grade level. All right, select your grade level. You're gonna scroll down to the purple area, TELPAS release test. You're going to select, you could do 2023, 2020. I'm going to go with 2020 reading test. Right here. You can mess around with these settings. You can change the color setting. You can make the mouse bigger. Zoom in if you need to. All right, click select. Okay, and then you can begin your test now. All right, you can go through, read everything, mess around with the tools, the highlight, selection. Go through every question, read through it, try out every tool you have. You have more mark for review, sticky notes. Just try it out and read and mess around with this website just to get used to the TELPAS format. Thank you. See ya.